Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So I did want to talk a little bit about Bitcoin and why I'm actually a little bit worried. And I told you guys, I think like a week or so ago, and I'm like, you know what? This is kind of concerning because Bitcoin is actually showing super weak signs on the reverse MACD. Right? We have that weak bull candle that's not yet created, but it looks like it's gonna be closing as a weak bull. Um, which is really surprising because I've never seen, I've never seen Bitcoin close, what is it called, a bearish week so fast. I've seen it happen back here, right? You get a bear week right here, another one, and then you have a really good solid reversal, but um, it's kind of concerning because what I want right now to happen is I want Bitcoin to actually start closing above certain levels, but as of right now, all it's been doing really is, let me actually go a little bit smaller in the chart so you guys can actually see. But what it's been doing is actually been going lower, and it actually, not only did it break support of 60K, right, of what, 60,164, but it also broke the channel, right? It also broke its channel, its trending channel to the upside. So it's kind of, I'm kind of, I don't want to say worried, right? Because it can definitely rebound from here. So you can definitely have Bitcoin dropped here and then possibly go back up. But it's going to create a full candle, a full bear candle under trend, on the underside of trend and under support of 60,100. It's creating a perfect bear candle right under here, and in about 12 minutes, right? You guys can see right there on the side, 12 minutes, 28 seconds left, and obviously the stoke is already on bottoms, right? So I don't know what can actually happen right now for Bitcoin. I actually thought we were gonna see a nice reversal to the upside, but instead of, so it's kind of, look, I don't know if you can see, but look down here, right? These light blue candles on the reverse MACD mean very strong bear momentum, right? That's where you have these two candles being created up here, these two, and then you had a slight recovery, but then boom, two more candles on the high side. So what can happen right now, what we can actually add on to here is a brand new. This is basically just trending down now, right? That's essentially what's going on. You're just kind of trending down from here. So this is essentially new trend, right? Like right there. And I know that there's a lot of like lines going on right now, but it's 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 kind of, like I said, it's following trend pretty well down here, which is not good at all. Because I can see this kind of coming back up, maybe retesting this area right here of like 60,800, and then coming all the way back down. As of right now, because we're gonna be closing a bear candle on the underside of the trend, of support and the channel, like this looks like we're going down to like 53K. I'm telling you guys right now, like this looks like we're going down to 53K. The daily, again, creating brand new bearish candles, and not only bearish candles that are new, but it's like, see, the last one was 1159. This one was 1700. And the daily on the Stoke, you still have a lot of room to go down. I mean, right? I mean, you can either actually stop right here. See, you have support. You're gonna hit support right here on the stochastic, but you still have all this room to go down, right? You still have all that room to go down on the daily, all that room, and it's just kind of concerning because um, you're starting to actually close candles under support and under that trend channel, which is kind of concerning, because the only way that, if I was doing a TA on any other regular stock or any other whatever, I'd say that we're going straight down to 52, 53K, and this is what I was worried about last, like a week or so ago, a couple of days ago, when I did my last TA on Bitcoin, when I'm like, yo, this is kind of concerning. Like if we break this channel, if we break support, and we start closing candles under this, like there's a strong chance that we go straight down to like 53K, which is not good at all, right? And the only good thing is that the monthly is still bullish, right? So I would still consider myself bullish on on Bitcoin overall. But the fact that you're starting to close under here, I think that's kind of bad. And the only thing that I can really see happen right now is, we close another bull candle on the hour, and you see like price go up here, and then it doesn't break support and channel, and it's gonna drop right back down. I'm telling you guys right now. That's another thing that I'm worried about. You know, and you even have like a micro trend right here, right? You have sort of like a micro trend like right here. So what can happen? See, there's a lot. There's a lot of TA going on right now, but right. But what can happen is you can possibly come to like right here. It doesn't break, and you go like straight down like that. That's what can happen, right? Because you have a micro trend right there on the hour. There's a lot of things that can happen right now, but what I'm saying is the fact that we're actually even under support and under trend is kind of concerning for Bitcoin, because we either recover from here. The only way that I see Bitcoin running up again is if you break this trend right here. So you can run up here, break support, it goes back on bullish trend, and it breaks this trend right here. Let me see, I'll make this clearer. We'll turn this like green, right? So the only way that I would be bullish on Bitcoin is if you break this trend right here. That's the only way that I would be bullish. I don't really care about resistance right here. I care about this trend. If this trend gets broken, right, this is like a daily trend. It's been happening since what? October 20th. So really only a couple days, like the last week or so. But if it actually breaks to the high side of this, then I would say I'm perfectly bullish on Bitcoin. As of right now, I think I am bearish, because, you know, we're going to be closing this candle under support, under trend. It broke it, first of all, and it's going to be closing in seven minutes, and it's a full bear candle, right? So just concerning. It's just concerning as well, because if I was doing, you know, TA for any other stock, any other ticker, I would say, oh, we closed the candle under support, it broke channel, we're going straight down to 53K. So just something to think about, right? There's only really a couple things that can happen right now. Either Bitcoin decides to sell off right here, which I can definitely see happen, or you see it come up, possibly somewhere like around this area, I don't know, come back, retest trend. If it doesn't break it, then it's coming right back down. But if it retests trend and it actually breaks, then I would say it's going straight to what? 65K, right? So like up here. But again, I would only be bullish if it breaks this green line right here. That's the only way that I would be bullish on Bitcoin. As of right now, I am bearish towards Bitcoin going down to 53K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.